12 cooking functions. Even people with no cooking experience can now make dreamy meals. The temperature range of 80 degrees F 450 degrees F makes you enjoy a wide range of cooking functions including air fry, dehydrate, bake, defrost, ferment, and more. XL extra large capacity. The oven's 26 quart, 25-liter capacity fits up to 6 slices of bread, 4 by 4 inches, a 12-inch pizza, or whole chicken. Versatile fast. Looking for a way to cook twice as fast as conventional ovens? Just pick up your smartphone and tap the vesync app to make meals at the touch of a button, or with the sound of your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Home. Air fry anything. We bet you didn't know that toaster ovens can air fry. Our oven requires up to 85% less oil than traditional deep frying while maintaining the same crispy textures. Your only regret will be that you didn't get it sooner. All-inclusive. Flip through 30 chef-made recipes in the included cookbook with more on the vesync app. With an included wire rack, food tray, and fry basket, you'll be cooking just like our professional COSORI chefs in no time. Customize cooking functions. Customize and save your preferred temperature and time for each cooking function to cook favorites exactly how you like them at the touch of a button. Requirements. This product works with a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Only plug into US and Canadian power outlets. Download the vesync app to experience the full functionality of your top reviews from the United States. Absolute best buy. They weren't joking about air fryers. And this one is controlled with my phone app. On the app I saved my recipes and also edited them to make them better than the last. Now when I need my dish all I need to do is go to my saved recipes and all the stats are saved. You can even add instructions to each recipe too.